Yeah, Maniology got me this month. I really had to try out the look that was in the Mani by Me box. It's the July Mani by Me box. I know these are running late, but I'm into this one, y'all. I gotta tell you, my first impression, I was not. But look at that. That is so freaking pretty. I love that design. It's probably the first design ever off of a card. There's the directions. Pause if you need to read. First ever design off of the cards in the Maniology box that I was like, yes! Two colors. The first one is Prana. It's kind of a turquoisey teal metallic polish. And then Hatha, definitely a creme orange color. Stamps very nice. They both stamp very nice. I was in love. And this is what kind of made me just not sure, and looked like a lot of these designs were just going to be for long nails or super long nails, because these animal designs are very intricate. They're huge. They would be gorgeous on long nails, and these animals kind of threw me off. I'm not sure if it's an Indian culture thing. I don't know. And the bonus item this month was this little pineapple stamping card holder. It works fine. It's different, like I'm having to make myself reach for it, but I'm so sick of pineapples. Like, I know that Maniology is based out of Hawaii and all that stuff, and I know a lot of people love pineapples. I hate them. Hate pineapple. I don't like the taste of pineapple. I don't like the look of pineapple. Can't stand pineapple in any shape, way, form, or fashion. So I really wish they would stop making a lot of this stuff with pineapple on it. Again, it's just me. I know. SE Skinny Dip. I love this polish. I wanted to show you the difference between the middle finger and the fingers around it, because you can see how much it just did that little natural nails, but better. Which would have looked better on the last frame. So I'm sorry I had my pineapple tirade. I don't like pineapples. Did I tell you I don't like pineapples? Like, you will never see pineapples on my nails unless I do it ironically. This design. Okay, so we're doing some nails natural, where we're going to have some negative space stuff going on. We're going to pick up the butterflies with the white. I wasn't really sure how they did this design, so I really liked the card. I did things a little bit different in a few places, but overall, this is how you make this look. And I love that I was able to make it work on short nails too. Because that's a lot of the problems that you have a lot of times with stamping and short nails, is the designs are just too big. And that's with the majority of the companies out there. Now, if you chronically have short nails and enjoy short nails, I highly recommend that you look at the Pueen, P-U-E-E-N, Pueen plates on Amazon. They come in these little round leather cases. I think there's 4 sets. There's like a yellow, a pink, a white, and something else. I have the white and yellow plates for those. They're the little round plates, but they're so good if you have short nails. So now I'm going in, I'm going to top coat everything, let this dry. You know I'm a top coat freak. I like to do top coats in between layers, just to make sure that if I make a mistake, I can take it off. Now for the white sections, and I understand why they did this now. They did it so that the brighter colors would pop on top of it. That's a trick I don't think I've talked about much on this channel. If you have neons and they don't show up in till you put 5 coats on, which irritates the bejesus out of me. I can't stand nail polishes like that. You can put white on first, and then it will make the natural color of the polish pop faster. So you don't have to do 5 layers. You can do it in 2 or 3. And I mean 2 or 3 white plus the others. So what I did is I ripped off the teeny tiniest piece of face sponge, like a makeup sponge, that I could get this little claw holder, like my cotton ball holder, to hold. And I'm using it basically just to sponge different colors in, to layer them until I get it to a tone similar to what they had on the card. And then you go in and you do this over everything that is white. So if you want more pink on the butterflies, do more pink. The stem or the antenna were kind of an issue for that. My hope was to line up the next color so that didn't happen. But they're okay. So I kind of just, splotchy, spongy, these beautiful sunsetty bright summer colors on top of any place that you stamped white. And then top coat, because, you know, again, I'm a top coat freak. But I want it to help it dry faster too in between layers to help kind of prevent bubbling. I am giving this time to dry because I was so in love with this mani. I did not want it to bubble or mess up. So this took me, and just on one hand and trying to figure out the technique, probably 90 minutes, an hour and a half or so, to do this start to finish just on one hand, mostly because of dry time. It actually goes pretty quick overall, but I was being extra careful on dry time. Now we're gonna layer. So I grabbed the color Prana, and you take the outline of the butterfly, layer it over the top of everything else you've already done. It is kind of hard and tricky because the butterfly has the antenna, and some very intricate details on the top layer for this. But I loved this technique. I've never seen this before. Really and truly never have seen anybody do anything like this. And they called it lead lighting. I would not call any of this lead lighting. And maybe they painted it different to where they would consider it lead lighting. I do not. And this is my favorite. This is where it's about to get so fun right here. Never would I have done this. Never would I have thought to put black in that intricate of a design over that bright of a color. And this broke my heart because I was trying to line this up and I accidentally bumped it. See right there? Okay. At that point, you just have to commit. Like, I could have gone in and maybe scratched it off, but again, I would rather it look a little messy than risk messing up what I've done so far, because I loved this. But it made me a little sad I bumped it because it kind of messed up the design. But I'm getting Halloween design vibes in here too. You could do bright summer vibes. You could change up these colors, do something like this for Christmas. Fun technique. Really liked it. And I loved that. Then they went in and layered some blue on top of that. So pretty. And when they did this on the pinky, they grabbed this little side swipey, you know, this little round section here. They did it in black. I did not like it that harsh. So I went back in and I did it with that metallic blue again to bring that color over onto the pinky. Since it's on all the other nails, why would you leave it off of that one? I don't know. But I liked that one. I thought it was a little more subtle and not so in your face with the black, because it already had black on it. So I just brought the blue over to the last finger. And I love this design. I love everything about it. I wish my butterflies had been a little less crooked. Practice makes perfect. Like, I would totally wear this again and again and again and again, or something similar to this in different colors. You could do this for spring. You know, oh my gosh, the options are endless with this. And I've got to tell you, like, first glance when I saw this box, I was not amused. I was like, I don't like this. I'm not going to like this. I don't care about these colors. Bleh. Like, I was just not amused. And I'm in love with it now. I'm not sure if it's because of the box itself or the technique that I learned. Very happy. And I even like the stupid pineapple. So, tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you love or hate pineapple below. And don't talk about pizza with pineapple. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Thank you so much for watching.